Hey everyone, I'm Bethany. I am going to do a demonstration of a screencast for you. I chose to do this screencast on a band's website. The band is called Almost Easy. Now I'm a little biased because I do happen to sing in this band, but I also think that the website looks really, really good and is just a good example of a nice, simple, organized site that, basically just has all the right features for people to check out when they come to the website. So I'm going to take you on a very quick tour. On the home page here, you have the Almost Easy Entertainment LLC with the AE logo up here, and then right here at the top of the page, there is all of the social media tabs, which makes it easy for people that are visiting to kind of just quickly jump to all the different social media pages. So that's nice that it's right here at the top. And then we have our welcome. There's a video actually with some song demos. I'm not going to play that just due to licensing and issues like that, because there are some cover songs in there. So I'm going to leave that unclicked for now, but that plays automatically, and it's a really nice feature when somebody clicks on the homepage. As we scroll down on the homepage, we have upcoming events right here with a calendar that scrolls down. This is definitely a great element right for the homepage. Usually when people check out a band's website, they like to know, how to contact them and what their schedule is. So here's the upcoming events for the band through October, goes through November, and then the calendar just continues to update up to 2 months, and then it keeps cycling through all the upcoming dates. Some nice banner photos here for different shows. Okay, and then as we scroll back up to the top, you can see our tabs up here. And this is the About Us tab. And here I am right here. Bethany. I do vocals in the band. Oh, and by the way, this is not me. This is a girl. She's an awesome singer named Anne-Marie. I just want to point that out. That is her and not me. There's a Services tab, which I'm not actually going to click because, again, there's a song that automatically plays, which is a cover song. So I'm not going to open the Services tab just because of that, but it basically just, this tab states where we play, different venues and stuff like that. We have testimonials, some nice reviews from customers and some vendors that we work with. There's a photo gallery, and you can see this is really nice for people to check out some nice images of the band. This is me. I joined the band a little bit later, so that's why I'm not in that initial photo shoot, but that's me. There I am rocking out. You can go up here. There's some more band videos for people to check out some live recordings, contact information, and then finally an additional tab for event schedule. So it's really the full calendar if you want to see beyond the November schedule on the home page, and you can see the different months, and each gig is can be found here. So that pretty much covers it. That is my tour of the Almost Easy website. Hope you guys liked it, and check out Almost Easy Band. We play all over New Jersey and the tri-state area. Thanks, guys.